In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Wix Studio site name and web address. We'll start with the site name. First, log into Wix Studio and open your sites, sometimes labeled My Sites. Find the site you want to update, then look to the right for the three dots. Click that, choose Rename Site, and type the new name. This can be your brand, a project title, or anything your visitors will recognize. Click Save. You'll notice the new name right away in your dashboard, in browser tabs when you preview or open the site, and in Wix emails tied to that site. A quick tip: this change is cosmetic for labels and tabs. It doesn't alter your web address. Pick something concise and consistent with your brand guidelines to keep things clear across your workspace. Next, let's change the web address. There are two paths here. If you want a custom domain, make sure your site is on a premium Wix plan. If you see a prompt to publish or upgrade, follow that to upgrade first. Then go to Domains and select Connect Domain or Add Domain. Enter your custom domain, something like www.yourbrand.com, and follow the steps Wix provides to connect and verify it. That may include purchasing the domain through Wix or pointing DNS records if you already own it elsewhere. After connecting, give it some time to propagate. It can take a bit for the new address to work everywhere, though it often resolves quickly. If you prefer to keep the free Wix address but change the prefix, open your site's dashboard and go to Settings, then Account Settings or Workspace Settings, depending on your layout. Look for Site URL Prefix or Free URL Prefix. Edit the prefix to something cleaner, say change my site 8 to your nice project. This adjusts the part before wixsite.com, so your URL becomes something like https your nice project. Wixsite.com, your page. Click Save, wait a few seconds, and then refresh the dashboard or sign out and back in to see the update. Remember, changing the prefix alters your link, so update any bookmarks or shared links you've sent out. Finally, check and publish. If you connected a custom domain, click Publish or Republish to push the changes live. Open your site in a new browser tab and confirm both the new site name and the new URL are showing correctly. If you don't see the changes right away, try a hard refresh or an incognito window to bypass caching. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.